The SECUNORM MIZAR is a versatile squeeze grip knife from MARTOR. It has a long lever to release the blade. To unlock, position the 3-in-1 safety lock in the middle so that the lever can be operated. The safety knife is suitable for right and left-handers. Safety lock forward, the lever is locked, and place in the belt holster. To cut, press the lever, pierce, release at the end, blade retraction, and lock again. Before each cutting application, unlock. Hold strapping band at the top and cut at a 45-degree angle. For pallet film, begin at the top and cut downwards. Lock. Also for tape, pierce, hold the lever, cut. Important, never place your free hand on the cutting path. To remove flaps, pierce and use the handle's supporting surface. Release the lever at the end to enable the blade to retract. Don't forget, never cut directly towards you. The same when removing covers. Pierce, hold lever, cut, and never cut directly towards you. Hold lever and release in time. Blade retracts. Lock. The SECUNORM MIZAR is also highly suited for making window cuts. It has a cutting depth of up to 15 millimeters. The same procedure for bagged goods. Pierce, hold lever, cut. Release lever. If necessary, hold the material with your free hand. And increase pressure with your thumb. At the end, the blade retracts. Turn the blade around to get a fresh cutting edge. Slide 3-in-1 safety lock backwards and fully open out the lever. Lift up blade cover. Important, do not touch the cutting edge. Instead, always hold the blade at its blunt side. Close the cover and reinsert everything. Snap in lever, unlock, and test. When both cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. And again, slide safety lock backwards and fully open out lever. Always change your blade in time and dispose of immediately in the used blade container. As replacements, only use MARTOR blades. Place the blade exactly on the location lobe. Close the cover and click in the lever. Position the safety lock in the middle and test. And slide safety lock forward. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Reinsert blade and close everything. Test once to finish and secure in the MARTOR belt holster. Feel free to use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster, and follow the instructions in the user manual.